Setting up your FlexiTank reservoir is fast and straightforward. In this video, we will walk through the entire assembly step by step so you can get your AutoPot system up and running quickly. Everything arrives in one compact package that's quick for setup. Inside the box, you'll find everything needed for assembly. FlexiTank reservoir liner, support poles, tap fitting. First, we're going to begin by inserting the support poles into the sleeves located around the outside of the reservoir. These poles give the FlexiTank its structure once it's filled with water. To install the FlexiTank tap, remove the inner tightening nut and one rubber washer from the tap thread. Insert the tap through the opening, fitting the rubber washers on both sides. Orient the tap upside down and hand tighten the nut on the inside as much as possible. Do not over tighten with the tool. Stand the tank upright on a flat level surface. Once the tank is full, twist the tap 180 degrees clockwise to the correct position for the final tightening. The tap is now good to go. For best results, always place the reservoir on a level surface. Ensure fittings are secure before filling and avoid moving the FlexiTank once it contains water. The collapsible design allows the reservoir to be stored compactly when you're not using it. Your FlexiTank reservoir is now ready to connect to your AutoPot system. For more setup guides and growing tips, subscribe to the AutoPot channel. Thanks for watching.